If you have a hot tub or a spa, the SpaGuard Enhanced Shock is the best way that I've found to keep your water crystal clear, smelling good, and balanced and feeling good. What I like about this is that it's a 4-in-1 formula. So it shocks the water, it clarifies the water, and it also balances and buffers the pH to keep it like feeling good. And so all I do is I just take a capsule and I just dump it in. Some people want to put it right in the filter because I think that circulates it better. But I put it in after each use, and by the time I use it the next day, it's already dissolved and circulated. So I just find it easier for that, using it that way. I also like that this is the 6-pound container, so it lasts a long time. You can get smaller ones, but I find it more cost effective to get a bigger container of it. So overall, I found that this really keeps my spa water clean, clear, and after a while, you know, if you don't treat it with shock, you're going to start to get a bad odor. This totally controls it. So the water smells good. It's got like a slight chlorine scent to it, which I don't mind. It's better than like a gross smell. So overall, I recommend this product for your spa. It works well for me.